Good morning, traders. This morning we will be reviewing everything that's played out during the month of May, including FOMC event. As you can see, traders shares this morning. Theo, S&P mini futures 68 points. Stunning, breathtaking work. $50 per point, one lot. Do the math. 10 lots, do the math. Again, multiply 50 by 68 points and by a number of lots. You do not need many trades. What you do need is quality. Theo shares. Bobby, stunning, incredible, breathtaking work. Hedge fund trader, 30 points. Shorts. George, 14 points. Every single one of these traders on different continents. From Australia to Puerto Rico to Moscow to New Jersey. Brett, 9.5 points S&P. Every trader different background. Every trader different account. Every trader trades different charts, different time frame, different instrument. While Richard, using options with Alpha Fibonacci System. That's it. This is community of intelligent, brilliant traders who are making an effort. If they can do it, so can you. Here it is, software for NinjaTrader 8 in overnight session, in European session. If you will choose to use this software, this is stunning long. Precise entry, precise stop, precise target. Price reminds you what RZ means, reversal zone. Price collapses completely. If you ever choose to ignore reversal zone, nothing good is possible. Obey the rules and the skies are the limit. You can trade with identical rules, as you will see next, on any instrument you choose, as we will recap all the instruments of the month of May next. So here's the software right now on NinjaTrader 8. As we discussed with my brilliant intelligent traders, these two historical 2 days in the markets, intelligent trader knows that. In front of you, little retail level. In front of you, critical moment in the markets. We need the powerful selling pressure. Without powerful selling pressure, market will be brutal. That's it. This is basic Alpha Fibonacci rules. It's exact same thing on Bitcoin, on Pound, on Amazon, on Tesla, on bonds, on stocks, on any instrument you choose to trade. Price action remains exactly the same. The only difference, risk management and trade hold time. You decide what you want to trade. So if this nasty crawl will go on, we will go into class a lot sooner. So if you remember the events of this week, you remember we identified the start of this spectacular rally. And if I take you back and I change this chart to 5, that's it. For months and months and months we discussed, this is not the place to short. This is a place to buy from. Intelligent trader knows this. Second buy point is here. Post FOMC, pullback is worthless, weak. Bullish rally is here. Out of all the days, this may be the most challenging day if we are not receiving a pullback, as price moving one step at a time. This is the ideal place to be, and response at this level will determine markets for months to come. But again, it doesn't matter if you trade 10, 15, 5, or daily, weekly, monthly. Choice is yours. You decide. Single glimpse is all intelligent trader needs to know this. This is historical event. We identified months in advance. As we discussed, this is institutional buy point. It doesn't matter how much market crushes. Long orders sitting and waiting. If you understand how institutions trade, you never, ever, ever short near this level. That's it. To the upside, this is critical moment. This is the key. Nothing less, nothing more. We've been here for the last 3 weeks. We can be here for the next 3 months. That's it. So if you understand where institutions are and how institutions trade, you do not trade against them, you trade with them. That's it. Trade is not on 3 minute. I converted software to 3 minute. This is it. This is precision in the current markets. And all we discussed with students well before market open. Pullback is weak. Market is being bought. There is no good news. None. Inflation the worst in 40 years. Worse getting worse. World is chaos. How is it possible market is being bought? Of course. Bearish markets have entirely different characteristics than bullish markets. Bearish markets are drastically more challenging to trade and require drastically more skill. Because bigger the crash, more spectacular the rallies will be. So when you start understanding that, you start respecting clearly institutional buy points. And you know this. Days, weeks, months, and years in advance. That's it. But if you choose to use software for NinjaTrader 8, this is precision in front of you in the trading room. Again and again and again. Powerful pullback is critical, crucial. If not, and dangerous scroll will go on. Intelligent trader not touching the market here unless powerful pullback play out. But the events of this morning are again and again and again very powerful reminder. Obey Alpha Fibonacci rules. Do not speculate, and when you do, the sky's the limit. As again traders share every single day. They trade all instruments, on all time frames, on all platforms, not just in US, but in more than 50 countries. That's it. Choice is yours. If you're trading options on Tesla, or if you're trading S&P, or if you're trading crypto, or if you're trading commodities, or stocks, or Forex. That's it. Phenomenal, breathtaking work by intelligent traders from all over the world. Everyone clear how crucial this level is? Hand holding in trading never works. Alpha Fibonacci System does, and that's the historical event in front of you. And that's the historical formation that will determine markets for months and years to come. No speculation here. No gambling, no delayed indicators. This is predictive proprietary system. Again, all depends on these 2 levels. And we'll dissect this with students in the live class next. So here's one of the events of this month. Oil inventories yesterday morning coming out with a negative number. What do we discuss with students? This is critical, crucial Alpha Fibonacci support. Do not short. Oil news comes out and oil skyrocketing. How is it possible news is bearish, but oil skyrocketed hundreds of points? Alpha Fibonacci system told you so, hours and days in advance. So if I take you back to May 24th, Doesn't matter what chart you trade, choice is yours. Here we are. Critical resistance in a play that becomes key support next. And what played out after oil news, in case you missed the event, been recorded on video. Here is oil yesterday. Shock or not, oil skyrocketing, but first needs to break through this level. Again and again and again. No speculation, ultimate precision on any chart you choose to trade. So here we are, hundreds of points later, since yesterday very bearish news. As we discussed, response at this level on oil will determine oil for the rest of the days and weeks and months. Because this is critical level on oil now. This is a key. Intelligent trader knows this. And again, months and years ahead. If I take you back on oil 6 months ago, here's oil, September 2021. Bullish rally is on, oil heading higher. Does this look familiar? This plays out in this trading room, except this is not retail level. This is institutional level in a play in this room in the month of September when oil news is bearish. Oil skyrocketing, picking up this steam. We keep witnessing this time and time again. Alpha Fibonacci System overrides the news, because if trading on the news worked, every person on the planet would be Bill Gates. It does not. What works is respecting news due to volatility and obeying Alpha Fibonacci rules. This is what traders share all over the world, each and every day. And here's oil again. Bullish rally is on with stock in bearish correction. Oil will determine the crash and the rally based on this institutional buy point. Oil is not crashing, it's not selling off. That's it. But Netflix does. May become my favorite event of 2022. That reminds you. So when top hedge fund in America spending $1 billion on trade on Netflix, it's mind-blowing trade. Gently said, it's very, very not smart. Netflix at reversal zone. Why in the world would you ever buy Netflix at reversal zone? The only brilliant option is to short from. Rules are met, take short. So if you don't have $1 billion to dump, if you can't afford to lose 400 million, obey Alpha Fibonacci rules, pretty please. You trade much better than top hedge fund traders in US who keep losing astronomical amounts of money this year. This is a year much worse for hedge funds than 2008 had ever been. Did you know that? Because all major stocks keeps collapsing. Look at Apple from 180 to 139. Amazon is the best, absolutely the best. Crush 3,800 to 2,000 level. And you knew this many, many months in advance. Whatever the news on Amazon is or not, you know many months in advance, this is not the place to buy Amazon. If you pull a trigger randomly and you buy Amazon at 3,700 level, months and years in advance, you know, your success rate less than 20%. Here's Amazon in January 2021. Remember this level yesterday morning on S&P? Do you? Remember the pain and the crawl? On Amazon it lasted a year, entire 2020, 2021, Amazon heading higher and higher. You know this months and years in advance. If day trading not your cup of tea, use everything for long-term positions. From the live class I'm teaching next, where students will be present from 4 continents, from retail to hedge fund trader. That's it. That's the power of the system. And the reason I'm meeting students next in London. So if you are my student, I always travel the world meeting students. I'm very proud of what I developed. And when student making an effort, the sky's the limit. Day trading not for everyone, but anyone can trade system long term. Bitcoin. Crash is on, sell-off is on. Again, this is critical support on Bitcoin. Again, nothing bullish about Bitcoin yet. Response on Bitcoin at this level will determine Bitcoin for months and years to come. But intelligent trader knows if you buy Bitcoin at reversal zone, your success rate less than 20%. Let's go back on Bitcoin 6 months before. December 2021. Stunning and breathtaking reminder. Buy Bitcoin at support when rules are met. Do not buy reversal zone. Collapse on Bitcoin twice, 60+%. That's it. When rules are met, take a trade. Rules are not met, do not buy Bitcoin. Please. As Bitcoin potential heading to 10, not 100. Did you know that? 100 may happen in the next life. As of right now, Bitcoin showing clearly 100 is not gonna happen in the next few months or in the next few years. Not in capital letters. And we dissect this in the live class with my brilliant traders. So please, do not speculate. So please, stop wasting your time chasing junky, cheap, delayed indicators that look good, so good after the fact. No indicator on the planet will ever tell you where price is heading to and where reversal zone will be. Alpha Fibonacci System does. With your brilliant mind and your brilliant effort, you can trade anything you choose, including pound and euro. That's it. Euro at historical low. Euro had never been at this level. Bullish rally is on. That's the reason why hedge fund manager in Switzerland is my dearest friend for life. We meeting in Dubai and Zurich all the time. You decide what you want to trade. Is it S&P or is it Euro? If I go back to this chart, what do you see here? My goodness. Well before the war, you knew this is not the place to buy Euro. Let's go all the way to a year ago. It never gets old, I promise. That's Euro a year ago. Short the top and buy the bottom. Do not speculate. Obey Alpha Fibonacci rules. Come to live classes, and if you can't, enjoy the video 24/7. Because of our incredible students in South Africa and Australia can watch videos 24/7, if our incredible students in Moscow can do that, in Puerto Rico, in New Jersey can do that, in London, so can you. That's it. Black and white. No speculation, no gambling here. This is rule-based system based on pure price. nothing less, nothing more. Pure price for entry, alpha, Fibonacci for exits. Day trading not your cup of tea because you cannot become disciplined and patient. Look at the charts once a day, once an hour, once a week, once a month. You decide what's appropriate for you, for your psychological comfort, for your account size. This is a stunning reminder. Only when you know where institutions taking positions, you become successful. As again, we identified this institutional buy point months and years in advance. All the details in live class next, all the details in video library you can view 24/7. That's it. And when you write institutional power, the skies are the limit. Walk away when market becomes junk. Preserve your brain power, pretty please. Without powerful pullback, nothing good happens here. Overextended bullish rally with exhausted buyers and worthless sellers is not the market you want to trade. That's it. So here's a recap of a couple of things from this month in case you missed the events in the trading room. Here's May 2nd. Traders share the performance again and again and again. Love the quote. 30 seconds, $500. May 5th. Again, traders share. Georgie trading Nasdaq. Theo trading oil. Last 3 days, 100%. Overall general success rate 95. Over longer period 90%. As he says, do not need to overtrade the system. A system provides multiple alerts, but with a single glance, you allow to select the most ultimate alert. Again, this continues. Another 75 points, another 9 points every single day as traders share non-stop. Breathtaking, flawless. If they can do it, so can you. Kurt, Chicago. 2 trades last night for a total of 8.5 points. Georgie, 28 points short. Keeps coming up more and more and more. Bobby, 48 points short. Non-stop traders share. Richard closed Tesla. Option trade, $16,000. It keeps coming non-stop. Another 22 points. This is what traders share every single day in this trading room. Theo, 3,000 pips on XAUUSD this month. I don't even know what it is. It doesn't matter. The only thing that matters, does the instrument have price? This is how traders encourage each other. This is breathtaking work. 100 points for Bobby at the start of the month. Choice is yours, what you want to trade. That's it. And every single day we finish with this. Means the world. This is the reason I love what I do. It never gets old. That's it. And that's the reason I live and breathe what I do. Because if Clinton can do this, so can you. And when you join global community of traders, traders open their hearts and welcome new student from South Africa or from a very different continent. The only thing that matters is biggest heart and effort. I'm from Ukraine, Edward and Georgie from Moscow, but they have hearts and they have souls. We only care about peace. We don't care about war. And that's how you think when you come to the markets. And when you do want peace, you win in trading because it's identical mindset. Do you understand that? So if you want to trade better than Aikman, I look forward working with you. If you don't have $400 million to lose, if you want to know where reversal zone is on institutional and retail charts, join us with the option appropriate for you. Please review everything on the website. It is all self-explanatory. It's a proprietary system. You can trade on all instruments with Ninja 8 software or lifetime system for all platforms, video library, live classes, live trading room. So please, if you want to be and trade as this trader does, as Theo shared this morning, view students' performance, listen to podcasts and choose from private mentoring, one spot left only. Private mentoring overbooked months and months in advance. Savings more than $5,000 for this option, which included all group classes, video library modules, lifetime system for all platforms, lifetime software for Ninja 8. Group course is the second most popular option. Savings $3,000. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. Please. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, so much. Next, we're off to the live class where we will concentrate on institutional entry points. And if you can do this, you start actually enjoying trading, spending much less time in front of the screen. You stop gambling. You stop trading as majority does. You start trading as intelligent institutional trader, no matter how small or large your account is. Identical rules apply. It's black and white.